So we are having algebraic identity a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. We will use this identity to factorize over algebraic expression. So you can see the first question just having x squared negative 144. So I can write x squared as x whole square minus, and 144 is basically the square of 12. So if I have written 12 square, it directly means that it is 144. Now you can see that this thing becomes the left-hand side of the algebraic identity. Now I just have to write the right-hand side. So here my a is x. So I will write a plus b, which is x plus 12, and a minus b, which is x minus 12. So this will be my answer. For the second question, I know that it is 36t square. So beware that you have to write 6 because 36 is a square of 6. And t square is a square of t. Now I can write square outside minus 5 square. Now it will become a square negative b square. So I can write a plus b, a plus b, and a minus b, which is 60 minus 5. That is my answer. Now for the third question, I can write c squared minus 1 by 4 is actually the square of 1 by 2. D squared is basically d squared. Now the answer will be c plus 1 by 2d and c minus 1 by 2d. For the fourth question, it will become m whole squared negative 64 is basically the square of 8, and it would be n whole squared. So 8 plus b, m plus 8n into m minus 8n. This will become my answer. These are the practice questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready with your answers, press play. These are the answers. Okay. Now we're having the same type of question, but we must have to take common first before applying the identity. Now in this question, we're having 32a squared negative 98b squared. And it is obvious that 32 is not a square number. So what we have to do, we have to search for the common. So from 32 and 98, I can take 2 common. Inside, I'll be left with 16, a squared, negative 78. Now you can see, I cannot take anything common. 16a squared is a proper square number, and 49b squared is also a square number. So 16, I can write it as 4a whole squared negative 7b whole squared. Now 2 will remain outside. It will become 4a plus 7b and 4a negative 7b. So this will be my answer. For the second question, it's obvious that I have to take 2 common again with x. Then x squared negative 9y squared. Now inside I am having a proper square thing. So I will write x squared negative 3y squared. It will become 2x x plus 3y and x minus 3y. This will be my answer. These are the practice questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready with your answer, press play. These are the answers. Now we will go with the same method. We are having a plus 3 whole squared negative 9. So we can easily write a plus 3 whole squared negative 3 squared. Now this whole thing will become my a. So a plus b into A minus B. Now some simplification, A plus 6 and negative 3 and positive 3 will cancel each other. We're only left with A. So this will be my answer. For the second question, 16 will become 4 squared negative. Now this whole thing will become 5b plus 3 whole squared. Now 4 is my A, so A plus this whole thing is my B. 5b plus 3 or minus 5b plus 3. Now simplification, 4 plus 5b plus 15 or minus 5b minus 15. So it would be 5b plus 19 and negative 5b negative 11. This would be my answer. These are the practice questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready with your answers, press play. These are the answers.